This mistake can make your English sound unprofessional instantly. Listen carefully. You've probably said this before. I will revert back to you. Sounds formal, right? But actually, this is wrong. Revert already means to reply or respond. So saying revert back is repetition. In professional English, we simply say, I will revert to you. Or even better, I'll get back to you. Imagine sending this in an email or saying it in a meeting. Small mistake, but it instantly shows you're not using natural professional English. Notice the shift? Simple, natural, professional. Fix small mistakes like this and your English will automatically level up.